Hello, in front of me I've got Avowed. In this video I'll show you how to fast travel. To fast travel in Avowed, we have to find specific place or beacon. Beacons look like this. Once you found it, or unlocked a specific place you can fast travel, let's go to map, select the beacon and confirm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.